Good morning, world. With all of the craziness of the coronavirus outbreak, me and my friend Kate have decided to escape all of this and have a little getaway. So we are going to Paradise Village Lodge, which is located right in Ashford, right by Mount Rainier National Park. So the weather's kind of crazy. It's snowing a bit. But they have an amazing attraction if you guys are ever up there. It's called the Cannibal Hot Tub, and you're actually able to soak in an outdoor tub. We're gonna have a little bit of exclusive time in that area and just have some quality time together. So join us. So just checking in here, I am at the beautiful Paradise Village Lodge. They have a cute little restaurant and a beautiful mountain view. It's kind of a crummy day today, so I'm really excited to get inside and check it out, and then try out the Cannibal Hot Tub a little later. All right, so we're about to go out to the Cannibal Hot Tub. This is actually a traditional Ukrainian style of a spa, where it's a stone bowl imported from the Ukraine in the earth that is fueled by an actual fire underneath. So the bottom of it gets kind of hot and you have to watch your toes, but he says it gets up to 120 degrees, and we're gonna spend a little bit of time just soaking it in and being out in the cold, crisp mountains and enjoying that. So I hope that if you are interested in doing something like this, you can check them out on Paradise Village Lodge. This. Good morning. I'm here at Paradise Village Lodge. We are about to have a delicious breakfast at their cafe and bakery. So please come along and join us. I know that they have Belgian waffles and some crepes, both savory and ones that are sweet and delicious. So we're really excited. Another really cool thing about this place is that they are actually owned by an amazing Ukrainian small family. So the whole family works here. It's very unique and beautiful. And all of their food and drinks are very authentic, and they make it all in-house. Thank you so much for coming along this amazing little adventure with me. Paradise Village Resort was so beautiful and incredible and just such a serene experience. We ended up going in their Cannibal Hot Tub, which again was a giant stone bowl like in the ground and fueled by an actual fire that they had created like an hour before. So yeah, it was a really good escape and just time spent away. So if you're interested in visiting, please let me know, and I'd love to give you some more information. If you'd like more information on traveling in Washington State or the Pacific Northwest in general, please follow my blog. It's outdoors-explored.com, and I post there on a weekly basis about different things going on around the Pacific Northwest.